Welcome back to another crypto video. What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, do subscribe, hit the like button, and do the YouTube thingy. So I had a little break from really doing some videos over the days. The market is in a lull, which we are very aware of, but I thought I'd jump back in and do another little video on the graph today. Big advice to everyone is just to enjoy the holiday seasons, get your head out of crypto, stop looking at charts, go outside, interact with people, because the true cost of cryptocurrency is not just your money, it's your mental health, and it's your whole perspective, and it's the way you interact with everything around you. You could be doing something beautiful, you could be with great people, but you're not fully immersed into the experience. You're not fully paying attention to those people or whatever activity is going on around you, because subconsciously you are still within those charts and you're chained to the wheel of fear and greed in the cryptocurrency market and cycle. So it's best to just take a break, step back when you feel any negativity in crypto, and look again in a few weeks' time. So that's my advice to you. So I'm not going to waffle on too much. We do know I have propensity for verbosity, and yeah, today we're looking at the graph GRT, rank 48, 67 cents trading, 13.7% up, market cap 5.35 billion, and 7 days are up 13% with that 30% correction, that bit of a low that we have had. You can see prior all-time high, $2, which is infallible, really, to see, isn't it? Sorry, £2. So we're actually looking at $2.70. And now we've really come down once again. We had thrill, fear, thrill, fear, thrill, fear. We're back in fearful stage, and we've corrected significantly, haven't we, really? You can see that we have corrected way below the 0.786 once again, but if we take the prior swing low to swing high, even here we have corrected once again far too much. Well, not really far too much. I mean, we're back down to the 0.786, so this is really a critical range that we need to hold, and it looks like we have come out of this range finally, where we had all this support here, and we did break through that resistance over at 50 pence, around 70 cents. So the question is, are we now going to ride up to 57 and see another 11% pump from here, or do we retest this support and effectively come back down to test the lower support one more time with a 12% move to the downside? Well, I'm not really seeing much volume on the 4-hour time frame. On the 30-minute, we are a bit overbought on the relative strength index. If we hop into that 4-hour one more time, we can see that we finally broke through this 20-day moving average, and we're moving forward once again. So things are looking good for GRT, but it's still very much an accumulation range. I can see this kind of playing out like a kind of cup and handle, I suppose, in the sense that if we trade sideways for a few weeks, we get this consolidation here, we break the resistance here, we come back up to the resistance over here, and then that's where we make a big impulse. So this is just really like an accumulation range. That's the way I see it for December. It could last longer, it could come through to mid-January, but the way I see it, this is another accumulation range similar to this one, where we will effectively trade sideways for a while, and then we will boom back up to like $1+ within the next few weeks. We can see the RSI is creeping up on the 4-hour, but not really getting the volume that we'd like to see in. On the weekly time frame, zooming out, you can see lots of green candles followed by red. So high, low, high, low. The next thing is high, because this is the game breaker. If we lose support, we're going to lose everything, and you're looking at a real bear market. If we don't lose support, then we simply just come back up to these old resistance levels, and we kind of trade in this like big channel, so to speak. Do we now come back up to $1? That is the question. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys. Is this going to be the moment where we actually finally correct and the whole market collapses, because look at the volume. Or are we going to see some kind of big breakout and action to the upside? What's more likely right now, coming lower or actually coming up to £1? Look at the volume. I'm not really seeing anything. It doesn't convince me. However, fearful markets are strong buying indicators. So if you did like the video, subscribe. See you in the next one. See you guys.